Is my voice is audible? Hello. Please
Yes, sir.
Okay. See guys, I'm sharing asset accounting next document. So in this document, each and everything is there, how to create asset and calculation of depreciation, retirement, and everything. Okay. So now, now yesterday what we have done. So we have posted asset acquisition, right? See guys, yesterday we have finished up asset acquisition posting. Okay, now we need to do depreciation calculation today. So you want to see these things in a table level, go to SC16N and put ANLA. So ANLA is the table for asset master record, and give your company code. So what is your company code? TH08 and execute. So these are the assets. So these are the assets we created. So these are the assets we created yesterday. Okay, asset class and assets. Now we want to calculate the depreciation for these assets. Okay. So now we want to calculate the depreciation. Depreciation we need to calculate for this asset. Okay. Now go to AFAB. Okay, go to AFAB. Go to AFAB. Enter. Okay, enter. Give your company code. Give your company code. Fiscal year. Okay, and 08 right now, 08 or 09? 09 or 08? 08. So in SAP, we have fields like planned posting run, repeat, restart, unplanned posting run. So these are the fields. Planned posting. Planned posting is every month we need to run the depreciation. Depreciation calculation is one of the month-ending activity and year-ending activity also. Okay, depreciation calculation is one of the month-end and the year-ending activity. So planned posting runs means, so you need to make a plan and you can calculate the depreciation every month. Every month. Okay, every month we need to calculate the depreciation. Repeat. So for example, you calculate the depreciation wrongly for the previous months. Okay, so you believe that. So you calculate depreciation wrongly for the previous month. Then we have an option repeat. Okay, so by using this repeat option, we can correct the previous entries also. So we can correct the previous entries also. And restart. Restart means, so due to power failure, okay, or internet failure, suddenly, so depreciation calculation was stuck. Like, in real time, thousands of assets we need to run the depreciation, not only one asset, thousands of assets. In company code, so many assets will be there. For all assets, you need to run the depreciation. In that case, so if any stuck, like, so if you are not able to see, stuck means suddenly internet failure, or power failure is happened, then depreciation calculation will be stuck. So that case, again we can use this option, repeat option. Again you can restart. Again you can use this restart. Okay. Unplanned means due to unforeseen situations, asset got theft, or it was so we need to calculate depreciation today itself. Okay, today it's due to floods, asset has gone, or due to theft. Okay, so I need to calculate depreciation today's date. It is not planned. Okay, planned means every month we need to calculate. But on today's date, I want to calculate the depreciation, then it comes under the unplanned posting run. Okay, so unplanned posting run. So right now I want to calculate the depreciation on today's date. That is the reason. So we can use unplanned posting run. Okay, and one more thing is, so now you just say at the initial stage we will run this depreciation test mode. Okay, test mode we will see some errors, if any errors are there, that we can trace out easily in the test mode only. Okay, so in the test mode we can trace out easily. So that is the reason before executing this activity in the production system, what generally users will do. So users will execute in the test mode. Okay, so if you execute in test mode, you will see errors. Okay, so you will see errors. What kind of error so a user is facing, that we can easily trace out. That is the reason test mode. In test mode we can do this activity and just execute. Okay, so just execute and you see any errors are there. So here in the log box, so error is there for document type EF, number range is not assigned. Okay, that means what? The document number range is not assigned. That means, okay, so you know, for AF document, F means depreciation. So depreciation document number range is not assigned. So we need to assign the number range for this. So you go to OBA7 and go to AF document. AF is the depreciation, and take 05, go to number range, and TA08, you will give your company code and intervals. So for 08, you need to assign the number range. 9001 and 10,000.
Sir, give 05, sir.
05, okay. It's 05, okay, save. Okay, so like this we can identify the errors. If you make this activity in the test mode, so you can easily trace out the error. Okay, so that is the reason. So we will do this activity in the test mode. So we need to do this activity in the test mode. So we can easily trace out what kind of error we are getting. Okay, now again we go to FAB. Okay, and select unplanned posting run. We are not doing this activity every month. So right now we are calculating depreciation of 16th. So that is the reason it's unplanned, not planned. And so here error analysis and give your company code. Okay, and execute this activity. And now check, there is no errors. Okay, so now in real time, what happens? In real time, there are thousands of assets will be there. So we cannot run this activity in the foreground mode. Okay, so remove this. So we need to execute this activity in real mode and directly post in the production system. Okay, so now do one thing. So we need to execute this program. Okay, like we need to do this activity calculation in the background mode. So execute in the background mode. So put LP01 and click OK. Okay. So you want to calculate the depreciation tomorrow. Date and time also we can give. Okay, we can give date and time also. On immediate date, you want to calculate depreciation on immediate date. So immediate you need to select and save it. Okay. So this is one program is very important because in SAP S4HANA we have several changes in depreciation calculation. Particularly, so many changes are there. But the ECC case, this is a general program, RAPOST standard program. Okay, so 2000. This is the program. So we are executing background mode because in real time huge volume of data will be there. For that huge volume of assets will be there. For that you need to execute depreciation. It is a time consuming activity. So normal foreground mode, it will not happen. And that is the reason we can do this activity in the background mode if line items are more. Okay, line items are more, then we will do this activity in the background mode. So this is the standard program RAPOST 2000. Okay, into and okay, so this is already done. So in background mode, you go to system, own jobs, or else you go to list. 1 minute. Go to services, jobs, job overview. Or else you can directly use the T code SM37 to look the background job. Okay, job overview. Okay, and execute. Okay, so here RAPOST 2000. This is the program. Okay, so and go to job log. If any errors are there, you can also see. See system saying that GL is posted. For the company code, there is no error. Okay, and so now you check in this spool. Okay, spool. Okay, and click on this. So depreciation is calculated. Okay, so depreciation is calculated for so three assets. Three assets the depreciation has been calculated. Okay, so now you just go to AW01N. AW01N. So AW01N asset value we can see, and take your assets. So this is a building. So for building, click enter, and goes to posted values. Okay, and see posted values means so we posted the depreciation. Okay, and we posted acquisition for this asset. So here, so once you posted, so it will trigger to green color. Okay, not in the yellow color. Yellow color means it's a planned. It's not posted. Okay, so 8th month I posted. So you cannot execute this activity again because already depreciation is calculated, and this month cannot execute once again for depreciation calculation. So here you will see this is all planned. Okay, this is all planned. So this is the posted one. Okay, this is the posted one. Now, so depreciation is calculated this amount, and acquisition value is this. Okay, and so this is a planned value. So planned value is the acquisition value and total depreciation. Okay, so if you purchase asset from the vendor, so the your transaction type is 100. So here total amount is this amount. Okay, so this is 100. 100 means so you procure this asset from the external asset acquisition from the external vendor. Okay, and this is for building, and the vendor is TCS. So vendor details also you can see over here, and you calculate the depreciation, book depreciation only. So you calculate the depreciation, book depreciation. So if you want to calculate a cost and depreciation, tax depreciation, so we need to do configuration for this, and so here they will come automatically. Okay, so this is the overall idea regarding the depreciation calculation, and you go to comparison. Okay, you will see total how many years the depreciation will be calculated. Okay, and when the asset will be nullified. So these details, because this building has 40 years useful life, hence it's come to 2063. Okay, so this is a comparison. You can compare with years also 2023, 25, 26. Okay, like that, and your net book value also showing this place. Your acquisition value and your depreciation value and net book value also showing this place. And you go to parameters. So useful life is 40 years, and expired useful life is also 40 years because we executed only 1 month, not for all years, right? Even 1 year is also not completed. So you will need to calculate depreciation for 40 years. Okay. So I calculate depreciation only for 1 month. That is the reason expired useful life is also showing as a 0. If you calculate depreciation 2 years, then expired useful life for system will show 2 years and your remaining balance is 38 years. So like that. So here system will tell you, so you experience useful life of the expired and remaining life is also system will show. Okay. So this is overall idea. And also you can go to other assets, AW01N, and take other assets, furniture, and see posted values. Okay, this is depreciation, and here depreciation is calculated. This one. Okay. So this is the way we can calculate the depreciation. Last time I explained asset acquisition, and this is depreciation calculation. Okay, and you want to see asset history. So we have T codes like AR01 asset history. Okay, and you can take company code. Okay, and execute. So this will show you acquisition value, accumulated depreciation, and book value also. Okay, this will show you this. Okay. So your balances, your accumulated balances. There are several tables also for this. Tables also there at the time of explanation of SAP S4HANA new asset accounting. So this is ECC level. We have new asset accounting S4HANA. So that time I will tell you what kind of tables generally used for asset accounting and ECC and S4HANA. So in ECC, what kind of tables are there, and S4HANA, what kind of tables are removed. Okay. So these things we'll discuss in the coming classes. So this is completely ECC point of view I'm discussing, but coming classes we will take S4HANA related areas. So that time, so we'll deal new asset accounting. That time I will tell you how the depreciation engine has been changed. What are the changes in depreciation and asset accounting comparing to ECC and S4HANA. So those things will be discussed in the next sessions. Okay. So this is overall idea, like and also you will see reports. So go to accounts, go to accounting. This is user level. So go to financial accounting and fixed asset and the periodic processing. Informative system. Reports on asset accounting. So these are all asset balances. You want to see balances. Okay, these are the reports. Okay, so these are the reports are there. Okay, asset balance related reports, balance list. This is inventory list. See all your reports, like a vendor, customer, all your reports you will see over here. Go to financial accounting, general ledger, document entry. The general ledger related reports you will see in the environment, informative system. These are all reports. These are all reports. GL balance reports. Okay. And execute. All your GL list will come. So reports, user activity. So this is also report. Standard reports. These are all standard reports. This is the GL balance, currency type, company code, currency, and so from period 1 to 12 period. So these are all GL. So GL reports. So like yesterday you posted transactions. Okay, like acquisition you posted. You want to see AB03. So AB03 the asset related document for asset. Okay, and select this and go to accounting. So you will see the journal entries. So building, so vendor to building account data to vendor, land account data to vendor, furniture expenditure vendor. So just go to this and see. This is the KR document. Okay. So what is the T code for looking the asset accounting document? AB03. AB03. And you want to see depreciation entry, you go to FB03. Okay, and give your company code and document list. Okay, so document type for depreciation is EF and execute. Okay, so you see this EF document, this was posted. Okay, and double click on this. So this is the journal entry. Okay, so this is the journal entry. See, this is the EF document. So you want to reverse asset. You want to reverse AB08. You want to reverse the document asset. Asset, then give your asset and you can reverse the transaction. So, and then you can see the values in the AW0. You can once reverse, it will be reversed automatically. So you can reverse the document. Okay. So you can use the AB08 for reversal of the document. AB08 is the reversal. If you post any asset wrongly or acquisition is wrongly, amount entered wrongly, then you can make reverse. Okay, by using the reversal, we generally use one T code AB08. AB08. Okay, if you open up this document, there are several kind of reports you will see. So you see how to create asset, each and everything is there. You can also look at this. F-90 posting. So everything is there. FB03 document display. FB03, AB03 display document. Asset Explorer, AW01N. So asset balance is CR01. Okay, and depreciation calculation. Okay, and depreciation run EFAB. Okay. So popular depreciation reports. So popular depreciation reports. So you want to explore this. What is this? Just to go and check. Okay, give your company code and execute. Okay, this is done. So like that, here some reports are there. Okay, asset retirement. So tell me what is asset retirement? Anyone have any idea? What is asset retirement? What is asset retirement? What happens if you retire the asset? After end of the session, I will share you asset related journal entries. Asset accounting journal entries. I'm sharing you very important. These journal entries are very important for interview. Interview will ask asset retirement journal entries. So here asset retirement with or without revenue. Okay, so that is called as scrapping. So without, say, asset, if you want to retire the asset, there should be customer, right? So at the time of retiring the asset, we need to sell this asset to customer. If customer is exist, then gain or loss will be happen. If no customer, then there is no revenue. Or it's a scrapping. Okay, with or without revenues, is scrapping with or without customer is not to say asset retirement should be partial retirement and full retirement also we can make it in SAP. Okay, So there are different ways of asset retirement, with or without revenues, with or without customer, so as a full or partial retirement. Okay, so here, so customer is happened, then what is the entry? If customer is not there, what is the entry? Partial retirement, full retirement. And these things we will see right away. Okay, so retirement by scrapping. If you want to retire the asset by scrap, okay, generally, so ABA VN is the T code. So now you go to this ABA VN. So you take your building asset, you want to make it your building retirement. So now you see this AW01N. Okay, AW01N, and give your asset and check the posted value. Okay, so this is the posted value. So this has a asset balance. Okay, I want to retire 5 lakhs. Okay, that is called as a partial retirement. So you can make it full retirement, and also you can do partial retirement. Okay, so now you want to do partial retirement. So you just use ABAVN. It's a scrapping. By retirement, we have scrapping asset with customer, without customer. Okay, so you want to make it scrap. So this is the T code, generally use ABAVN, and asset value date. Okay, when you are scrapping text, asset scrapping. Okay, and go to a partial retirement. You want to make partial retirement 5 lakhs. Okay, so 5 lakhs I'm making partially this amount retiring. So this is a prior year acquisitions. No, so right now I purchased this year also, not prior. So it's a current year acquisition only, not a prior. Okay, just to click on the line items. See, if you not do the GL account assignment properly, you will see the error. Someone has sent one message, one error message today in our group. So what is your name? Chandwasha. So this kind of errors will trigger. Okay, this kind of errors will trigger. So GL account assignments not done properly for retirements. Okay. So last time land, building, furniture, vehicles, fixtures, etc. For that we have given some GL accounts in the backend, right? So that GLs will pick at the time of posting automatically. So if you not assign the GL accounts properly, so you will see this kind of errors at the time of F-90. So check your GL settings. Okay, so select this under line items. Okay, and so this amount is showing, and go to this simulate. Okay, so at the time of scrapping, loss will come. Okay, this is loss. This is loss. This is loss, and you save it. Okay, so now you go and check here. Okay, go and refresh. So refresh. So here retirement is how much is happened total, how much balance you have left. Okay, so this amount is left. Net book value. So this is the scrapping. Generally, this kind of things will be handled by SAP end users. Okay, SAP end users will post scrapping, retirement, etc. But if any errors arise at the time of doing this activity, as a consultant, we need to resolve. So most of the cases, the errors will come from this area. If you not assign proper GL accounts in the account assignments, in the account assignment, if you not given proper GL accounts, then you will see this kind of errors. Until unless you won't get any error. So these things will be eliminated at the time of unit testing. Implementation stage itself, it will be automatically eliminated. Maximum case you won't see any errors in the retirement case. Maximum you will see errors if you not assign the GL accounts properly. Okay, and next thing is, so we have one more T code is there, ABAON. Okay, ABAON is the T code for asset without customer. The retirement of the asset without customer. So ABAON. Okay, So here again come. So you just go to ABA ON. Okay, and so you can change your asset. Last time we have done building, right? So you can change the plant and machinery. Okay, plant and machinery has some value, net book value. So asset sale without customer. You need to remember the T codes. So how much you want to retire the asset without customer? So I want to retire 5 lakhs. Okay, or 5 lakhs. Just put 5 lakhs manual revenue and go to partial retirement. So you want to retire this amount, right? So here you just post over here. Full retirement, you can take full amount. Okay, so take current year acquisitions. Go to line items. Okay, and simulate this. Okay, so this is the entry. Now you save it. Yes. Okay, I'm giving assignment to you. So asset retirement with the revenue, you just do it this activity up dash 92 by using this screenshot. So here the only one thing you need to do is, so here the transaction type we need to take. Okay, transaction type we need to take, and you need to select asset retirement. If you not select, so you won't see this kind of error. You will see this kind of journal entry. So I'm giving this assignment to you. You just watch this document and you can try from your F-92. Okay, so this is all about asset accounting related stuff. Okay, so like I have one more question. Like we can calculate the depreciation manually. We can calculate depreciation, accumulate depreciation manually. So accumulate, what is the difference between depreciation or accumulate depreciation? Accumulate depreciation is the total depreciation. Okay, depreciation is the, so like every month we will calculate depreciation. Total depreciation is the 12 months depreciation. So we have one T code. If you want to calculate the depreciation manually, okay. So we have T code. ABA unplanned. So unplanned depreciation. Unplanned depreciation you want to calculate manually. So AFAB is automatic calculation. System will calculate whatever the depreciation key we assigned in the backend. This is not like that. This is completely different. So say you want to adjust something. Okay, you want to adjust something as a depreciation for the particular asset. So you can make it. So ABA is the T code, unplanned depreciation. Okay, so you can see this is a 3001, right? So you go to AW01M and see posted values and what is the balance is left for this asset. So this amount, right? So I want to calculate depreciation manually. Okay, 50,000. So 50,000. I want to calculate unplanned depreciation manually. 50,000. 50,000. So we can adjust the amounts by, see, system is calculating depreciation, that is AFAB. So here manually we can calculate depreciation. Okay, it's unplanned depreciation. We can calculate by using this ABA T code. Okay, so now we can post value date is not allowed. Okay, remove this asset acquisition value. String transactions validate not allowed. Okay. Okay, so now it's calculated. So this is unplanned depreciation. This is unplanned depreciation. Unplanned depreciation. Okay. So now you will see You see, unplanned depreciation is calculated 50,000. Okay, unplanned depreciation calculated 50,000. It will show you in the books of account. So 50,000. So 50,000. Okay, so this is adjusted in the next month because depreciation is already calculated. Okay, so like that we can also calculate manually depreciation ABMA. So manual depreciation like unplanned. So how we created like that we can also created depreciation for manually. Okay, so manually also we need to create a depreciation. The ABMA T code. So here you can put some amount, but you should not give the depreciation key in the asset master. Okay, we can also calculate like this. But a system will saying that value date system. The manual depreciation, you are using this depreciation key, then how we can calculate manually? So that is the reason need to remove this depreciation key and you can post it. Okay, so we have T codes like ABMA and ABAA. So these are the keys. These are the transactions. We can calculate depreciation manually. Okay, manually means we can give some amount and we can calculate depreciation. Got my point? Okay. So this is all about asset accounting. I will give you one assignment by using LSMW. By using LSMW for 1,000 assets, I want to calculate depreciation manually. So here by using say ABA or ABMA, okay. So we are calculating depreciation for only one asset. One asset we are giving manually, right? Manually we are giving one asset. But in case if you have 1,000 assets, okay, so you want to post directly into SAP system. Okay, how we can do this activity by using LSMW. Okay, so I am sharing one video. This I have done as a real-time project work in my previous companies. So that is the reason you just try this activity even after completion of the course. Okay, so asset unplanned depreciation by asset. So just follow this 25 minutes video and complete this asset accounting. I think this is in Telugu, but so activities you can follow. Try this activity. Okay, if you have time. Okay, so this is today's session. We'll discuss tomorrow. Thank you.